write that we are Bengal sailors who bear, then what would happen? This stanza would lose the musical quality. Understand? It would not appear like a lyric or music. Rather, Bengal sailors are we who wear our shining loads to the temple fair. It sounds musical. It sounds musical. So Bengal sailors are we who bear. Bear, you know, bear means carry. We are the Bengal sailors who carry our shining loads, our bangles. Shining means those bangles are shining, glossy, shining. Okay, that means beautiful bangles. Our shining loads to the temple fair, and we carry our bangles to where? To the temple fair. At first, to the temple fair. Fair to तुमको पता मेला, मेला or fair that is arranged around a temple, nearby a temple. Okay, I mean that is related to religious festival also. Who will buy this delicate, bright, rainbow tinted circles of light? The poet asks a question to the readers or the Bengal sellers. Here actually the Bengal sellers they are speaking, or the poet is speaking through the mouth of the Bengal sellers. Who will buy this delicate? Delicate meaning that is also very beautiful, very fine, delicate. Who will buy this delicate, bright, rainbow tinted? Rainbow, you know, rainbow is a combination of seven colors. Rainbow we often find in the sky sometimes where it's rainbow. It has the structure like bow, and it normally appears after the rain, and it is the combination of seven colors, seven. Uh, that is called Vibgyor, the seven colors, the seven basic colors, and that's very beautiful to see. So rainbow tinted, I mean rainbow colored circles of light, rainbow tinted circles of light. That means the bangles which have the multi-colors, or as many colors as found in a rainbow, and as beautiful as a rainbow. Okay, and it's also delicate means very fine, very beautiful to look. So who will buy these bangles in the fair? Who will buy? Lustrous token of radiant lives. Lustrous, luster, L-U-S-T-R-E. Luster means very bright. All these bangles are very bright, and you know, especially in Punjab, Punjabi women especially, as I know, as I visit that place, comparing to our West Bengal, the Punjabi women they use maximum numbers of bangles. Okay, here in Bengali women normally wear one or two pairs of bangles. That is the sign of their marriage. I mean, for the married women. And here also the unmarried or the virgin, they also wear or use, but very less number comparing to the Punjabi women. So we have the clear idea about bangles and how many, I mean, colors it is available. Lustrous tokens of radiant life. So luster, all these bangles of luster means very bright and radiant. Radiant means also um, very bright, prosperous, radiant lives for happy daughters and happy wives. So these bangles, these brightful, these colorful, these bright, colorful, delicate, as beautiful as the rainbow, these bangles are for the happy daughters and happy wives. So in the first stanza, it is about happy daughters and happy wives. For happy daughters and happy wives. Understand? I mean, from the last line, we can clearly understand that these colorful, these bright, these shiny, these glossy bangles are for the happy daughters, that means unmarried girls, and happy wives. That means for young, not for widow, for the young woman. Okay, for the young woman. Okay, in the meantime, Some are meet for a maiden's wrist, silver and blue as the mountain's mist. Some are fast like the birds that dream on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. Some are aglow with the bloom that cleaves to the limpid glory of newborn leaves. So here we shall learn about the same bangles, but for different age group. The first type is for the young young wives, happy, especially it indicates happiness, happy daughters and happy wives. But some are made for a maiden's wrist. Maiden, young unmarried girl, maiden. Here, made in the sense suitable. Some are made for a maiden's mist. So some of these bangles are suitable for the young unmarried girls, silver and blue as the mountain mist, and which are suitable for the young unmarried girls. Uh, what are the types of those bangles? Silver and blue. Those bangles have the silver and blue color, and that looks like mountain mist. Mist, kind of foggy weather mist that looks like mountain mist. In the early morning, the mountain is covered with fog and mist, foggy. It looks foggy. In the similar way, that color, similar like that color, silver and blue colored bangles are used by the unmarried young girls. Some are fast like the birds that dream on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. Here, beside the stanza, it's written already. Virgin girls. I mean, the second stanza is about the virgin girls. The bangles used by the virgin girls. Virgin means who are unmarried. Virgin. Okay, unmarried. Virgin. Um, some are flashed like the birds. Flashed here, flash in the sense red colored. Some are flashed like the birds that dim. Birds, flowers still in bloom, not fully open, referring to virgin girls. Bud becomes in later time full bloomed flower. So flower still in bloom. Buds means the immature flower. Understand? And here buds are compared to the virgin girls. Virgins. Virgin means the young girls before their marriage. Young unmarried girls. Unmarried girls. They are compared to buds. Okay. As the bud becomes flowers, mature flowers, in the similar way, the virgin girls, young unmarried girls, later time becomes matured women after their marriage. Okay. Some are fast like birds that dream on the tranquil brow. Tranquil in the sense calm and cool, which is very quiet, silent. Tranquil brow of a woodland stream. Tranquil brow of a woodland stream. Woodland means woodland, any forest, and stream means a kind of small river. Okay, the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. So some are fast like the birds that dream on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. That means in simple way, as some birds are found, birds are found here in a forest nearby a river, on the bank of the river that runs through a forest in a tranquil atmosphere, in a calm and quiet place. Okay, so here some of these bangles are for these types of virgin girls, and those girls are compared to birds which are available on the bank of the rivers which run through the calm and quiet forest. So on tranquil brow of a woodland stream. दैट मीन्स जो जंगली फूल है, जो फॉरेस्ट में कोई क्वाइट प्लेस में, साइलेंट प्लेस में जो ये मिलता है, बर्ड्स मिलता है. Okay, that means which are undisturbed. Birds means here the birds available on the banks of the rivers in a tranquil atmosphere, which are undisturbed, as the young unmarried girls are undisturbed, they remain undisturbed before their marriage. After their marriage they are disturbed by their husband, some other uh, male persons. Then they are not virgin, they lose their virginity. And in technical terms, virginity also means to preserve, uh, what should I say, virginity, losing virginity means after having a physical relation, after marriage. After marriage, after having physical relation, the woman lose their virginity. So virginity means, preserve virginity means not having any physical relation with any male person. So here also the situation is like the birds. Then some are aglow with the bloom that cleaves to the limpid glory of newborn leaves. Some are aglow with the bloom that cleaves. Glow means glow, glow so aglow means also shining. Some are aglow with the bloom that cleaves. Cleaves means sticks closely to. Cleaves means which attaches closely, which sticks closely. That cleaves to the limpid glory. Limpid means clear beauty, limpid. Limpid glory of newborn leaves. Newborn leaves. Here bangles of green color are compared to the newborn leaves. Here on another side it's written newborn leaves, green, sticks closely to. So what does it mean? Some are aglow. This poetry is a little bit difficult comparing to the other poems, because here language is a little bit difficult. No problem. With explanation you can understand everything. Some are aglow, that means some of the bangles shine with the bloom that cleaves, with the bloom that attaches to the limpid glory, that means to the beauty, glory of newborn leaves. That means in simple terms, some of the bangles shine or glow as beautifully as the newborn leaves. That means as the green leaves, fresh and green leaves, lush green fresh leaves. That means in other words, some of the bangles have green color. Some of the bangles have green color and they also shine and glow very beautifully. Okay, and some other bangles fast like, that means they look like red colored, and they are as beautiful as the birds that found in a quiet place uh, beside the bank of a river that runs through a forest. And some of the bangles have as silver and blue color like the mountain mist. So in this stanza, as you can understand, there are 6 lines. In every 2 lines there is a comparison. In the first 2 lines, some are made of a maiden's wrist, silver and blue as the mountain mist. Here is the comparison of the bangles with the mountain mist. They have the beautiful colors like silver and blue. In the next 2 lines, that means line number 3 and 4, the maiden unmarried girls are compared to the birds. Okay, then in the last 2 lines, that means fifth and sixth line, again the bangles are compared with the fresh green colored newborn leaves. Okay, there are some difficult words, but we have to understand in a simple way. Okay, I am giving. Hello.